We're live. Good morning, everybody. Tuesday morning. Sorry we're late. We really shouldn't make any excuses. We're just always late. Right, have you got your mic on?
Yes.
We have got new mics, so hopefully you can hear us better. We had drama last week.
We are wired for sound, so hopefully all is well.
Right, do you have your list of things we're going to talk to you about today?
Yes.
Where do you want to start?
Do we want to start with what? Because we're the wrong way around for that. Shall we start with the products? Or we could start with things that you could have for Easter instead of an Easter egg, if you like.
That's it. So working off our slim fast Easter. What was it?
Well, basically, just not everybody wants an Easter egg, do they? Not everybody wants chocolate.
I like Easter eggs.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. So if you don't want chocolate, or you're not allowed chocolate, or for some reason chocolate is an issue for you, we have other things that. But you're not to eat them. You're to.
No, you can't eat them.
Right. Go forwards. And show the world what we've got.
Right. Number one. What's this called? For the pocket book of knitting.
Well, your pockets should be quite big if that's your pocket.
Yeah, that's not going to fit in my pocket. Although it would fit in my apron pocket, I suppose. But, because I've got an apron. Not at work, but I do have an apron. But yeah, lovely little book with all the beginner stuff of how to knit. $9.99 for that. And its little sibling is the pocket book of crochet.
Or cousin.
Or cousin, yeah. Cousin, sibling,
They
relative.
are really nice books.
And it's got, how to make some slippers. You could make slippers in crochet. I think there's also there's a little teddy bear. So yeah, very cute, and also $9.99 as well.
Lovely illustrations.
Very cute. If crochet isn't your thing, maybe you have a child that needs to be occupied over Easter, a grandchild, a bit of felting, little felting lion, little felted sloth. And we had one of our young crafters came in the other day to show us that he made
was so proud, wasn't
it was really lovely. He's such a sweet young boy, and he brought his little sloth in to show us.
It's quite a bit bigger than what I thought, actually.
Actually, so did I.
Yeah.
It was bigger than I thought. Yeah. It was a reasonable. I was kind of thinking, that was the size, but it's not. But
it's hard to scale them, isn't it?
Like, it's very cute. Yeah. Very cute. He's such a sweetie. Hang on, we forgot to tell you the price on those ones are $3.99. So there you go. And little pom-pom bumblebee kit.
They're very cute.
Very sweet.
Instructions all on the back.
Oh yeah, there you go. I was talking to a friend the other day, and she's going to visit a friend in Europe who's got a little daughter. And we were talking about how she could take some pom-pom stuff and teach her how to make pom-poms and things like that, which would be quite sweet. Amigurumi mini card dooflicky thingies. Very cute. So this has got animals. And
you did your thing.
Oh, I didn't mean to do that.
You did. You did it instinctively. Oh, look, Lucy's watching. Look at my nails. Look, I can make ticky, ticky, ticky noises now because they're longer. See, it worked.
Didn't mean to do that. But it's got animals, and it's got birds in there, and it's got written instructions, not charts. And the patterns are, because I had a look this morning, they're to use 4-ply, but it does say in here, if you used like a double knit or a different yarn, you just get a larger animal. So if you wanted to do the panda, but you wanted him to be bigger, just do it in a
giant panda.
Bigger, giant panda to sit in your living room, and they are $14.99. Giant panda sitting in the corner.
And this little monkey, look. This was what Lucinda did just before she left. In memory of Lucinda.
Oh.
So cute. So this is the what does she call it?
Belinda. But that just reminded me, like, at the end of TV shows where it says "in loving memory of."
Oh yeah, she hasn't
in
passed.
Loving memory of Lucinda, who worked at Albright's from May.
Gone but not forgotten. Because you left her be.
We love you, Lucy. Please come back already. You've only been gone 2 days, and we want you back.
It's all falling apart.
And that is the bee. We'll get back on track.
Well, that's very lovely.
Is the bee. So very sweet. Everything's in the kit. for your.
And she hasn't been crocheting long either, has she? I think. So this is really quite impressive. That's quite a feat.
Lucinda's amazing. She can do everything.
That's sickening, really.
Yeah, it is. The only thing it hasn't got is a sting in its tail.
I can imagine.
Yeah, you need to crochet a little. Oh, you could just put a pin.
Something
Just
sharp.
put a pin in the end. Yeah. That's very sweet. So that's that. The other thing you wanted to mention was the Janome sale, wasn't it?
There's quite an amazing Janome sale starting tomorrow. So these are the 3 that we have in stock. Well, not in stock, that you can come and have a look at. So the 230 DC, the 5060 QDC, and then this rather cool overlocker. Now, £100 off. I mean, that's not
really?
A lot. That's not little money. So the 230 DC, if you were looking at this before and gone, oh, that's a nice one, it's the mid-range, a little bit of bells, only a few little whistles, but really nice. £100 off. So it's now £349. Actually, that's amazing. And then that really cool overlocker, which you've been looking at as well, and that is £60 off. So, but we do, even though we don't stock all of them in the shop as like on our shelves, if you see one that you particularly like, it's on their website, it'll be on our website, come in and we can order it for you. And we obviously look after the warranty, and you get a free get to know your sewing machine workshop when you purchase from us, even in the sale.
Yeah. And so, even if you think even if you know a lot about sewing, and if it's still nice to sort of like get to know your new sewing machine and just have a complimentary 3-hour session with
so
Beth,
£100
it will be
off,
now, won't it? Beth or Nikki?
£100 off and a free sewing machine workshop.
No, yeah.
Oh, there you go. Nearly got in trouble there.
Nearly gave me a heart attack.
I'm not giving away free sewing machines. Sorry.
Oh my God.
Not today.
Yeah. Oh, bless her.
Not today.
She needs a holiday.
Shall we carry on? So once you've bought your new sewing machine, shall we go that way round?
We'll go that way round, yes.
Once you've bought your new sewing machine.
Let me get out of the way. I'll go to the back. I'll be cameraman.
We also have other projects in which you can partake in.
Are you there? Because I can't see. Talk amongst yourself, viewers.
So we've just got this new sewing machine window display, not sewing machine, workshop window display. So as you can see, the first thing that's not quite working is get it out of the box. So once you get it out of the box, you then make your apron. So this is these are our apron ones.
No. Once you've got it out of the box, you come to get to know me, don't you?
So once you've got to know it and love it, you make your apron. Point. And then when you've done your apron, you can swing, move Mr. Bumble.
Oh, Mr. Bumble.
You can do a tote bag, or you can do a wash bag. It's just really nice. I was saying to Cindy the other day, it's really nice just to have a project that you can do. You might not really want an apron. That's fine, but it's just the techniques and the confidence that you build whilst doing it.
And even if you don't want an apron, you can make that apron and give it as a gift for somebody.
Lovely gifts. And then we move round to our dressmaking. That obviously starts on the 11th of April with the lovely Beth. We're excited to have her back to do that. Oh, very nicely. My glamorous assistant here. Right, and then we move on to crochet. It's not like you can do either or, but you can do both.
Yep.
So this is our new crochet wall, and Teresa will, like a teacher, walk you through it.
Good morning, class. Today's session on crochet, this is what you can do.
Do you want a stick?
I've done that once before. I am having flashbacks to when I've done this with a ruler. I think that's what she's gone to get. She has. She's gone to get me a ruler. So,
well, then you can reach.
Absolutely.
So now you struggle.
So, crochet workshops, boys and girls, getting started with crochet, where we learn our basic stitches, then getting started with granny squares. My stick's too long. I shouldn't have said that, should I? Developing your granny square, same stitches, different patterns, learning to read patterns as well. Crochet Essentials, this is a new one. This has replaced attaching your granny squares and crocheting a bowl, and now we're kind of combining those two with a few extra things that you might need. So you've got some methods for attaching your granny square, doing the magic ring and increasing, which will give you a circle, doing your decreasing, and then also how do you create a rib, there, all those things. And then we've got our mosaic crochet as well. So that's our crochet wall. And not that you can, oh yes you can. Here we've got the dates. So if you did come into the shop, you can see all the dates there as well. Back to Leah.
Thank you. Someone's trying to ring. I was trying to get Henry to answer the phone, but he's not having it.
Oh, bless him.
He's like, go answer the phone. No, I'm not answering the phone.
We tried to get him on camera, but he wouldn't do that either. So
don't do anything these teenagers.
So we've just tied him in the back doing stock take.
So we are doing stock take this week. It's very exciting. So if you see us wandering around the shop, counting to ourselves, please don't ask us questions. And then we count.
Looking puzzled because the stock says it should have about 5, and
where is it?
We can't either find them.
But the trick is to check the window. We put a lot in our window displays, and oftentimes the count is off because they're in the window, or we've lost something. It's in the window. So so it's stock take this week. So yeah, come in and give us a hand if you're bored.
You've got nothing else
if you're bored
to do.
over Easter, we'll take you on.
Yeah. Opening hours over Easter, just while we're on Easter. Obviously, we're going to be shut Good Friday and Easter Monday. We always close on Sundays, but we are open Saturday. So
Saturday in the middle, Teresa will be here.
I will be here.
All guns blazing.
Yes.
We're not going to do a live next week because there's holidays and stuff and people are away. So we will take a break. We can rest. You can also have a rest as well next week from the crazy. Or find your own crazy spot to enjoy on a Tuesday morning.
Yeah. Or create your own video and send it to us so that we can see you're crazy.
Yeah. And if you want to join us on a live, we have said this before, but only Jane's taken us up on
Jane's done it. Only Jane was brave enough. Yeah. So we're not scary, honest. I mean, we might look mad, but we're not scary.
I think we get about over 1,000 people. Actually, on internet wise, isn't a lot, but it's quite a few people that watch us, and they're obviously local. So if you have like a craft or a craft business, and you want to promote just a bit of a hurrah, we'd love to have you on. Have a look at what you're doing, give you a bit of love. That's always fun.
Big delivery trucks just pulled up outside. That's always exciting. It's nothing for us, mind you, but blocking the whole street.
So if you're coming down now, just be careful on the road.
Yes, avoid whatever Nicholas Road for the next 5 minutes while a massive, great international delivery truck has just virtually blocked the road.
Gosh. Anyway, let's stay focused. Is there anything else?
Hang on, let me just grab my list.
Easter eggs.
No, I think we go live next week. Sewing crochet wool. Yep, we have done.
Lovely.
Well, happy Easter, everybody.
Yes.
Yeah.
And we'll see you in 2 weeks' time.
Yeah. Keep crafting.
Bye. See you.